Good morning, class. Today we are going to be using an application called Powtoons. Your assignment will be to introduce yourself to the class as a Powtoon. We are first going to look at a Powtoon that I have created very quickly. As you can see, everything flows really nicely, and there's a character. So here, I'm just going into what it is that I like to do. It can be anything that you would like. So if you like cooking like I do, you can do something similar to this. Then if you like going outside, if you like dogs or flowers or animals or anything, you can put those in your Powtoon. Alright, so you see that it was just a really quick video. So now I will explain to you how we create this. So first you'll need to go to powtoon.com and you'll need to log in. As you can see, I've already logged in over here. We will click on a blank presentation. So here you can create what type of style that you want. The one I used earlier was the Modern Edge. If you like that, then you can use that. For this one, we're going to be using a cartoon look. So what I like to do is go to your intros here. And this is just how you would like to introduce yourself. So for this short tutorial, I'm going to choose this happy birthday one. And you can see that it's all animated and everything's done for you. You can change all of these little shapes, like what time that they come in. That's what it looks like when it's playing. So the happy birthday, you can edit it. You can type in whatever you want, change the color of it to whatever color, yellow, dark blue. I'm going to stick with that one for now. So on the next page, we're going to keep that same background. It just carries over. And we're going to insert some text over here. So there's multiple different things that you can use for text. We're going to go here, just text elements, and we are going to use this little thought bubble. And so we're going to double tap the text. We're going to type in thinking of you on this special, and it does have autocorrect, so if you misspell something, right click and it fixes it, on this special day. And then here you can change the size of it, change the size of the thought bubble, change the font size, and just get it really how you want it. So then we're going to keep this selected, hit shift, and click the bigger one, and here we can move it around together. So we're going to move it up to this area. Then we're going to go over to characters, which is right about here. Let me move this over. So it's right here. And here you can see all the different types of characters. Any of them that say Pro or Pro Plus cost money. We don't want to spend money. So we will just use the Office. And in this one, you can see that there's many characters to pick from. So I'm just going to use, let's use her. And so if you just hover your mouse over any of them, they will eventually come up and you can have different positions that they can be in. See, we have happy, and we have a hello. The hello one just waves, and the happy one is kind of just happy. So we're going to just delete that by selecting and hitting our backspace. So we're going to make her bigger just a little bit, come down, put her right there. So over here we kind of have a blank space, and we can go over to props. And again, anything that has Pro or Pro Plus costs money. But we are going to go down to food. And here you can see all different kinds of food. We are looking for birthday cakes. So let's make that, well, that one kind of blends in. So I'm going to just hit the backspace. We're going to try this one. I'm going to add that there. And so I like everything so far, but if we play, everything happens right at the beginning. So we're going to click on this down here. We're going to just scoot this way and just space everything out a little bit. We're going to use these plus and minus buttons here to reduce how long everything is. And then we're going to space it out just a little more. Then you can hit the black play button and see how you actually like it. So now that it is a quick tutorial, it is your turn to add your video to our class website of things about you. So here, so the title slide should have your name on it, should have your name. It should just have your name, we'll leave it at that. Should be about 4 to 6 slides long. It should be focusing on you. And then I want it to be very creative. Make it your own, make it colorful. The last thing that I do want to show you guys on this is this little sound button here. Click on it, and you can add a voiceover or music to the entire Powtoon or just to this slide. So we are going to add some music over here. You can add your own music from your computer. If you do, make sure it is school appropriate. And then you can go through and look at all of the different kinds of music. So the acoustic, again, Pro Plus and Pro cost money. So just use the ones that don't have that on it. So you can just click on any one that you like and use that. This assignment is worth 50 points. Make sure that you do title it under introducing, well, if I can spell right, introducing myself. That is the name of it. There will be a section on the class website where you can turn this in. This is due by the end of the week. I wish you the best of luck and have a wonderful evening.